In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify this Surds expression without a calculator. Now let's have a solution. We have square root of 27 divided by square root of 50. Now we are going to break these numbers under the square roots 27 and 50 by its composite. Now, that is, we are going to break this number down as a product of two numbers, of which one needs to be perfect square. Then as such, we are going to have here that 9 times 3, that is 27, then divided by here 25 times 2, that will give us 50 as well. Then now, this can also be expressed as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 3, then divided by square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 2. Now, at this point, 9 it is perfect square, 25 is perfect square, therefore, square root of 9, that will give us 3, multiplied by root 3, that will give us 3 root 3, then divided by 25, root 2 of 25 will give us 5, then multiply by root 2, that gives us 5 root 2. And this expression can also be expressed as 3 root 3 divided by 5 root 5 root 2, 5 root 2. Now, what you are going to do now is for us to rationalize the denominator. What am I meaning in essence? But we are going to multiply this expression up and down by this value here, 5 root 2, and this implies that 3 root 3 divided by 5 root 2 is equivalent to 3 root 3 divided by 5 root 2 multiplied by 5 root 2 divided by 5 root 2. Now, at this point, we are going to multiply it out. And by so doing, we are going to have here 3 times 5, that will give us 15. Now, root 3 times root 2, that will give us root 6. All over here 5 times 5, that will give us 25. Then here root 2 times root 2, that will give us 2, that's multiplied by 2. Now do we simplify further? We have here 15 root 6 all over 25 times 2, that gives us 50. Now here 5 will go here 3, and 5 into 50 is 10. Then as such, we have here 3 root 6 all over 10. And this is the final answer to this expression in Surds form. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.